because they want to give him back, because they feel guilty, like, oh, Mr. Beast gave us so much, I should buy his $10 burger, I should buy his $50 glasses, I should buy his $5 water bottle. What is up, everyone? Kamal, Nehme here, and this is Car Talks episode, I don't remember, but I guess it's 8. So last episode we talked about passion versus money, and I told you guys that I choose passion over anything. Like, I choose to doing what makes me happy, whether it's playing with Barbies or wrestling or eating donuts, I don't know. Yes, that's how I believe in. But at the end of the day, people need to make money. At the end of the day, you need to make money. You need to make money to live. You need to make money to buy stuff, and you need to make money to invest them in your passion. That's pretty obvious. That's pretty obvious, and that's true. And you need money. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you how, or what are the choices that you have to make money with your brand. Note that I did not try them all. I did not experiment with all the things that I will be sharing with you right now are either things that I did, that I made money from, or things that I know other people have made money from. Like, in the outside world, you see people make money, and you see people make money in ways that I will be talking about right now. Now, first of all, let's talk if you have a service. If you actually have a service to offer, a skill to offer, and you're building your personal brand around that. So for example, when I started, for me, I had a service. I did graphic design. So I started building my personal brand and building my social following, if you want to call it, around graphic design. I started posting graphic design tips. I started posting videos about graphic design, and so I started getting more clients because of that. So number one is you get paid by people paying you for your services. So if you are a graphic designer, if you are a social media manager, if you are a Facebook ads expert, if you, I don't know, if you are a marketer for restaurants, whatever, if you build websites, if you have a service and you build your personal brand around that, you build your expertise around that, you will make money by people paying you for your services. That's number one. Number two, also, if you develop your service or develop your following or develop your client base to enough level, you will soon need people to help you, just like I'm doing right now. So I reach a point where I can no longer take clients on my own, so I had to get people. I had to expand. So this is how you start to build an agency around your service. So you start to transition more into having a team or having an agency rather than just working on your own. So that's another source of income or another opportunity. So these are the two ways you can make money online from your services. Next up is, okay, just to be clear, I'm not gonna talk about digital courses. I'm not gonna talk about ebooks or master classes or coachings. I'm not gonna talk about them. I'm gonna talk about strictly from brand point of view, from a brand perspective. So services, you sell them, you leverage your services to build a business around it. That's number two. But what if you don't have a product, a service? What if you don't have a product? What if you're just an entertainer? What if you're just somebody that's funny? What if you're just somebody that knows how to storytell, that you tell stories, you vlog? I just, like, part of me don't want to say it, but that's even better. Like, I wish I was like funny. I don't know. I wish I was funny to be able to do entertaining videos, because the opportunity in that is super amazing. The opportunity in that, like, you see people like Jake Paul, you see people like David Dobrik, you see people like Mr. Beast. Yes, his videos contain a lot of money, but they're basically entertaining. So you see all of these people, and they make quite a bit. Well, how do they make it? Yes, number one is the YouTube ad revenue, which is, but it's not the biggest source of revenue for people, but it is quite big. So most of the people on YouTube, for example, they make their ads, their income from ad revenue. But there are people that, like David Dobrik. David Dobrik never ran a single ad on his YouTube, yet he is considered one of the highest earners on YouTube. David Dobrik made his money from sponsorships. People, you create a video, you create a channel, you create a brand, you get people to watch your content, you get 10,000, you get 5,000, you get 500,000, a million people to watch what you do, brands will gonna come rushing for you. Brands will gonna come pay you money for you to put their product, for you to talk about their brand, because this is marketing 2020. This is how influencer marketing works. You have eyes, you have attention on you. People, the brands want that attention. The businesses want that attention. So they come pay you money to put their product or their brand in the eyes of, in front of those people. So if you have a vlog, if you have a vlog, they may sponsor you with equipment. They may sponsor you with free visits, free restaurant visits, free travel. There are a lot of opportunities, but sponsorship is the one that holds them all, which is brands paying you a hefty amount of money, sometimes big amounts of money, to talk about their brand or to use their product. So if you have a show, like for example the Thought of Kamal, if I get 500,000 people to watch the Thought of Kamal, I don't know, maybe Pepsi will contact me and tell me, hey, put a Pepsi can in front of your desk and we'll pay you $5,000. That's it. They just put their product in front of 500,000 people for $5,000, which is a pretty good deal. So sponsorships are very good. This is how like 90% of all creators or influencers or personal brands make their profit, which is make their income, which is sponsorships. The third way to make money, and which is my favorite and which is the one that I'm working towards, which is building a business on the back of your personal brand, or building your business on the back of your brand. So what does that mean? This means that I'm gonna give value for the next 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years, I don't know, whatever. I'm gonna give value as much as I can and give without ever asking. And then in 5 years, in 6 years, in 7 years, I'm gonna come out with a product. I'm gonna create a product, whether it's a product that's for me, whether it's product for the people. It's a consumer product, whether that's coffee, whether that's water, whether that's a USB, I don't know. It's a product that has my values in it, that has my name in it. It's a product that's related to me. And people will buy that. Okay, I just entered a tunnel right now. So I will come out with that product. Let's take it as Kamal water. Okay, in 5, 6, 7 years, I had an idea of creating my own bottled water. So I create Kamal water and I list it to sell. I create a business. It's an actual business, a real business. It's not like I open a small store. It's a real business. A water that's branded by me. And my audience will buy it. My audience will build that business for me. My audience will help me sell it, because I've given them so much value in the past 5 years that they are guilty that they want to buy. So another tunnel right now. Can you see me? I don't know if you can see me right now. You can. So as I was saying, if you look at and it doesn't have to be a product. I could just come out with a service, come out with a restaurant. As you see, like for example, Mr. Beast created a restaurant right now. It's not just a restaurant, it's a food delivery. It's an application that they order food from Mr. Beast, so they order the Mr. Beast burger, and basically it's a branded business. This is it. He built such a big audience by giving them value every single day, by entertaining them every single day, and right now he is building a business and people are rushing to buy, just like he sold his merch, for example, because they want to give him back, because they feel guilty, like, oh, Mr. Beast gave us so much, I should buy his $10 burger, I should buy his $50 glasses, I should buy his $5 water bottle. So what I'm saying is, the possibilities of you making money or generating income using your passion, it's super big. Like this is why I tell people, like, let money be the last thing that you think about, because there are a lot of ways to make money. There are a lot of ways to leverage your own personal brand, to leverage what you do and what you love to make money and make it an actual business and make it actually a living income. But it all depends on how good you are and how are you willing to put in the work to do it. Like, you can't come tell me, like, my passion is building Barbies and I want to build the biggest fucking Barbie business, but you're just sitting on your ass every single day watching Netflix and not doing anything about it. This does not work. I'm nobody to come and preach this. I'm like, this is why I always think oh, I should watch my words because sometimes it may come off as a dick, and yet people tell me like, what the fuck did you do so you can come tell me what to do? I did not do anything. I just share my opinion. But this is how I think. If I want something, if I want to achieve something in the next 10 years, I'm gonna put in the fucking work right now. And don't worry about the money. There are a lot of opportunities to make money. You see people make money from stupid things. You see people make money from literally the stupidest thing. And it's just how much you put in, how much work you put in, and how patient are you to be able to eat shit for the next 5, 6, 7 years, so that you can make the money in 8 years. So, and this comes back to what I said earlier in the previous episode. Like, you don't really need thousands or millions in your 20s. Some people do have it, they're lucky. Some people don't, and some people are happy not having it. So choose which one you want, and that's it. There are a lot of ways to make money. I'm gonna put them all right now in a list to see how you can make money. Affiliate marketing, I forgot about that. You can promote other people's products as well in affiliate marketing. So you see, there are a lot of ways to make money. I just want to tackle the ones that are directly related to your brand in this episode, like building a business on top of your brand, selling your own product, selling your own service, building your own business. So I just want to focus on building something for you that actually people find value in. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. If you want me to talk about something else in the next episode, drop a comment, leave a like, subscribe. I never asked you to subscribe. I guess this is something that I should work on. I never asked you to subscribe. So in this video, I'm gonna ask each and every one of you that's watching, subscribe and hit the like button. Comment what do you want to see next, what do you want me to talk about next, and I'll see you again.